There are many products available to choose grout cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best grout cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner Spray for Tile with Brush. Cleaning grout is a chore, so it's important to have effective tools in hand. We gave the Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner Spray top marks in all our tests, and it was hard to find anything we disliked about it. Infused with a subtle, pleasant floral scent, this liquid cleaner easily tackled our muddy tile and grout surfaces. We appreciated how thin the liquid was, and that we could choose from a broad spray or a stream when using the nozzle. The spray only needed to sit on the tile for about 3 minutes, which was 2 minutes less than our DIY cleaning solution needed. The Black Diamond wiped clean with a microfiber cloth and didn't leave any residue behind on our paper towel test. The included scrub brush was easy to grip, thanks to its triangle shape that allowed us to put some elbow grease in as we scrubbed. Number 2. Scrubbing Bubbles Grime Fighter Spray. Cleaning the shower is a must, but it's not necessarily something we want to spend a lot of time on. After scrubbing a bit and letting the Scrubbing Bubbles cleaner sit for 5 minutes, we were impressed with how well it cleaned up our tile's mud mask without even leaving any residue behind. In fact, the newly cleaned area looked just as clean as the mud-free area when we compared the two sections. Though this cleaners is described by the brand as having a rain shower scent, we didn't notice any smell while using it. The lack of scent can help make it an excellent option for cleaning larger areas like the shower, but some may prefer a light scent while cleaning. Formulated for multiple surfaces, you can clean sinks and vinyl shower curtains with it in addition to tile and the shower itself. It's safe to use on chrome, fiberglass, vinyl, stainless steel, glazed ceramic tile, and glazer porcelain surfaces. Number 3. Home Armor Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Bathrooms are often humid and damp, which means you might have mold or mildew creep up on your tile flooring or your tub. Mold Armor's cleaning solution promises to kill 99.9% of bacteria and mold in the home, but it also took on our muddy tile, restoring it to its pre-mud mask state. We sprayed the cleaner on the muddy tile, letting it sit for 5 minutes before scrubbing with a brush. This softened up the mud and allowed us to wipe the mess away easily. However, after wiping the cleaned area with a paper towel 2 minutes later, we noticed a slight residue left behind by this cleaner. Overall, we felt the cleaner is easy to use. Simply spray to coat tile with a mist. The mist covers generously sized areas quickly, so it's great for tackling large surfaces like tile flooring. We didn't notice any scent while using it, which would be a bonus for those with more sensitive noses. Number 4. Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. A spa atmosphere doesn't typically come to mind when we think about deep cleaning bathrooms, but the Better Life Bathroom Cleaner's eucalyptus scent definitely reminded us of being in a spa. It was calming and even lingered after we were done, which was an added bonus. But don't let its pleasing, delicate scent fool you. It's got brawn as well as beauty. It removed all traces of mud on the tile. It instantly penetrated the mud mask, and we only scrubbed the grout once with a standard brush to remove any lingering stains. Though spraying the cleaner on the mud initially spread the mud a bit to the surrounding area, it was a cinch to clean it all up with a dry towel. This cleaner is made of plant-based ingredients, without any alcohol or dye. The spray nozzle shot out a concentrated stream of cleaner, making it easy to target specific areas that needed cleaning. Number 5. Full Circle Grunge Buster Grout and Tile Scrub Brush. There's no rule saying you have to use a cleaning solution or detergent to get sparkling clean grout. In fact, this brush from Full Circle is evidence of that. We gave it top marks in 5 categories, including its ease of use since it was so comfortable to hold. Its design meant we could hold the brush in different ways to prevent sore hands too. Compared to our control brush, this option allowed us to easily adjust angles so we could more effectively scrub away at grout stains. Even after applying strong pressure while scrubbing, the bristles remained strong and intact, no splayed bristles. And it includes 2 kinds of bristles, softer up front, with a blend of soft and firm bristles in the main section to tackle all kinds of grout stains. To clean the brush, we simply rinsed it with water and scrubbed at the bristles a bit where stubborn debris stuck. Once done, the bristles came clean without any visible stains. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.